Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send XDC from your Arculus wallet to Robinhood in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your XDC tokens seamlessly, this tutorial is perfect for you. XDC, or XinFin's native cryptocurrency, is gaining traction, and transferring it to Robinhood can help you trade or hold it more conveniently. Before we start, make sure you have your Arculus wallet set up with XDC in it and a verified Robinhood account ready to receive the funds. Let's jump right in. First, open your Arculus Wallet app on your device. If you haven't already, ensure it's connected to your account and that you have access to your XDC balance. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets, or Wallet, section and select XDC from your list of holdings. This will show you your current balance and give you options to send or receive. Next, head over to your Robinhood app or website. Go to the Deposit or Transfer section and find the option to add funds via cryptocurrency. You'll need to copy the XDC wallet address provided by Robinhood. Double-check that it's correct to avoid any mishaps. Now, switch back to your Arculus wallet. Paste this Robinhood address into the To, or Recipient, field when you're initiating a send transaction for XDC. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, as XDC transactions use the XinFin network. Review all the details carefully, amount, address, and fees, then hit confirm. You'll be prompted to verify the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric auth, to keep things secure. After confirmation, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Robinhood account to ensure the XDC has arrived. Pro tip: always use this process on a secure network and never share your private keys. And there you have it. That's how you send XDC from Arculus Wallet to Robinhood in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.